Greetings, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to tackle a tough yet vital aspect of effective team management, motivation. We'll explore how to measure this abstract concept and strategies to boost morale. We'll dive into the importance of a balanced preventive maintenance program, the role of feedback, and how tools like a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can simplify processes and boost efficiency. Stay tuned to find out how these elements can cultivate a motivated, efficient, and satisfied team of technicians. Motivating a team of technicians can seem like a daunting task. After all, how do you measure something as abstract as motivation? And once you've figured that out, how do you go about boosting morale? Well, let's dive into it. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that the problem often doesn't lie with the technicians themselves. If a facility doesn't have a well-planned or properly implemented preventive maintenance program, technicians can feel either overworked or underutilized. So the first step is to ensure that your facility's preventive maintenance program is balanced and provides adequate and targeted work for each individual technician. As a maintenance supervisor, it's also beneficial to sit down and discuss your preventive maintenance program with your technicians. This way, they feel like a part of a team where their expertise and feedback is valued. Speaking of feedback, feeling unheard can be incredibly demotivating in the workplace. Always listen to the feedback of your technicians. What might seem like simple complaining can actually be a diagnosis of the issues plaguing your facility's ability to improve its maintenance efforts. Another way to motivate your team is by providing access to user-friendly software like a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS for short. Now, this isn't about making jobs super easy. We know that a CMMS doesn't get rid of a technician's workload. But what it does do is simplify the process of requesting maintenance, fulfilling work orders, and tracking maintenance work. This makes everything more efficient, leading to satisfied employees. After all, no one wants to feel as though their job is made needlessly complex due to the continued use of outdated, frustrating systems. Lastly, consider making employee training a priority. If a technician feels like they have no room to grow in their current role, their motivation can fall even if they are proficient at their current job. Some studies even find that a lack of relevant skills training can increase the rate at which employees burn out at their job. To sum it up, provide your employees with the tools and training they need to do their job effectively. Schedule them the appropriate type and amount of work for their skill set. And when they tell you about issues in the facility, listen to their feedback. By doing these things, you'll be well on your way to cultivating a motivated, efficient, and satisfied team of technicians. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of a balanced preventive maintenance program, the role of feedback, and how a CMMS can simplify processes and boost efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, your team's motivation and efficiency are in your hands. Make the most of it.